Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about this new series, I guess you can call it, thing that I'm doing. I want to start doing locks and looks videos, and that is basically going to be me beginning my video with either my lock journey update or maybe a lock style, or just me coming on here and just showing you my locks. Whatever it has to do with locks, I'm gonna come on here first and explain, you know, what's been going on, and then at the end I'm going to have the look that I am wearing throughout that video. So expect for this look to be featured at the end of this video. I believe this month makes 1 year and 4 months being locked. Yeah, September, October, November, December, January. So almost 1 year, 5 months. So in February it'll be 1 year, 5 months. So I've been seeing a difference in the length of my locks, and I'm so happy because I just felt like for a long time my locks were getting shorter, and I'm sure anyone who is going through the lock journey is experiencing that as well. I just did a retwist, I want to say 3 or 4 days ago. So this is a 4-day-old retwist. Yes, as you know, I interlocked the perimeter, so yes, I did interlock the perimeter. What I used for my retwist this time was just basically my rose water, and what else did I use? Oh, I used this new oil. Let me grab it. I used this oil, Elle, or I don't know, Organics. This is the one that I used. And I've been really interested in it because it has peppermint in it. Y'all know I love tea tree and peppermint, but it's all natural, and I've been looking for something to just put on my roots and to give my hair like a really fresh smell, and this does the job. I really like it, and it was on sale, so I had to get it. It was $12.74. It was $14.99 at first, so I really like this. Been using it on my daughter's hair and love it. I changed the style of my locks. I had a middle part because I thought a middle part would look really good, because I've seen a lot of girls with the middle part, and I was like, you know what, that looks really good, let me try it. Still like it, but I think I would like it more when my locks are longer. Now that I have switched the part over, I am just in love. I didn't even know that it would make such a difference in the frame of my face, I feel like. I also, funniest thing, cut off a lot. I cut it off. If you don't know, I'm very like, is it impulsive? Yeah, like if there's something that I want to change, I just like take a chance and just take it off. I don't know what it is about me, but if I want to do something, I want to do it like ASAP right now. I don't want to wait. I basically, one of the locks that I combined, 2 of the locks that I combined on this side, I cut it off. So I'm just gonna show you that lock that so here, no, that ain't even the lock. Hold on. Okay, so, oh yeah, so this is the lock that I combined in the beginning, because remember the time I was saying that this lock was so thin, the base of it, but when I tried to combine it to this lock right here, it made the part about this big. So this hair, even though I interlocked it, still was coming out because it's shorter baby-like hair. And so I ended up, it was looking like this one, so I ended up cutting off the smallest one, which is this one. I cut it, and then I interlocked the hair that wasn't locked, that was being left out, and then I reattached it with needle and thread. I don't know, I just wanted to do it. I just did, and I really love that I did that. On this side, I did the same thing, but you see this part is not as long as the other one, so it worked out with this one. Still using my tea tree Tingle shampoo. Have yet to get my Aloe Vera shampoo, so I'm gonna put an order in for that, like probably this week. And what else? I think that's it. Besides the length changing, I think that I'm just loving the process. I'm loving it. I'm like so super happy. I've been spraying with rose water again a lot because I just think that it makes my hair feel different and feel more moisturized, because I did tell you guys that I have dry, very dry hair. So me doing this step, I can tell the difference instantly. I've been wrapping my hair up at night as well. And yeah, for the makeup part of this video, I basically am using the Natural palette by Oakland, and this was one of those palettes from the affordable haul that I did. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up or down below. They're basically dupes for higher end makeup. Alright guys, we're going to start off with our Elle eyelid primer. I've been loving this eyelid primer. I found it in my stash and I was like, let me see how this works, and I've been using it ever since. I'm just going to zoom you guys in, and I'm blending that out with a dual fire brush, and then I'm going to use my LA Colors or LA Pro, excuse me, concealer in Fawn to lay on top of that. Then I'm going to set it with my Cover FX translucent powder. I've been loving taking these steps because I have oily skin, oily eyelids, and this makes sure my eyeshadows do not budge. Then I'm going to take my palette I got from Shop Hush, where they dupe high-end products, and I'm going to take the Salted Caramel shade. I'm sorry, I didn't say it was the Natural palette by Oakland if you're interested, and I will leave all the links below. I'm taking Salted Caramel into the crease on a really fluffy brush. I like doing this first shade with a bigger brush because I don't want it as concentrated. Then I'm going to go into Semi Sweet on a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go into my crease. After applying the crease color, I'm going to take the first brush and just go around that eyeshadow that we just placed, just to make sure there aren't any harsh lines. Then I'm going to take my blending fluff. I love this type of brush. I'm going to go into Cherry Cordonal and put that in my outer V, and also into my crease a little lower than the last shade that we placed on our eyes. You're going to see me switch brushes to the second brush, the smaller brush, blending brush that I use, and I'm going to blend the lines of that eyeshadow. It's all about blending and getting the placement right. So you apply, which you will see me do now, and then you blend, and it gives you a really seamless eyeshadow look. Then I'm going to Malibu Glitz. I also got this from Shop Hush. It is so, I love this color. This is without any Fix Plus or anything. And then I'm going to spray it with Fix Plus, and look at the pigmentation when you do that. They are really affordable, so I really like that. I feel like I want to go back and get more because they're so nice. Then I'm going to take my Elle Makeup Lock and Seal. I don't know if this is still available. I don't think so. And I'm going to apply that on top. This step stops your lid color from transferring onto your hood for you hooded lid girls. And then I'm gonna go back between my small blending brush and my blending fluff and reapply and blend, reapply and blend again. And you see me doing this more than usual because this is once again a dupe for a higher end product, so you have to kind of manipulate it a little bit. But for $10, I definitely think that it is worth it, because look at the look at what it's doing right now. You do have to work a little bit more, you have to build those colors up, but totally worth $10.
L'Oreal Voluminous Base. You guys know I don't know how to do false lashes on myself. Great at doing them on other people, but on myself they just don't be right. I'm gonna apply that, let it dry, then apply my lower lash line colors. And I'm basically going between the semi-sweet and the salted caramel, and I'm just blending that underneath my waterline. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner in brown, and I'm going to put that directly on my waterline, just going about to the halfway point. I'm going to apply white chocolate on my brow bone, and then I'm going to put my Better Than Sex mascara on my lashes. I'm thinking about doing these types of video locks and looks once or twice a month. Let me know what you think in the comment. And also on Instagram, I looked up locks and looks, and there's a couple of ladies who are sharing their locks and their looks, whether it's clothes or hair or makeup. And I think it would be awesome if you follow that hashtag so that we can all just be a community out here. I hope you all enjoy.
And if you really like the concept of locks and looks, definitely push the like button so that I can continue and be motivated to make more videos like this. As usual, God bless. Have a great day, night, or whatever it is where you are.